I've made $670 in the last week copy trading on Robinhood with little to no effort, with my best day being $273 in a day. Now, if you know me, I've been copy trading for 5 years on Solana, BNB, Polymarket, and now Robinhood. And I can say seriously that Robinhood is my favorite chain that I have ever copy traded on. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why, and I'll explain exactly how you can get started copy trading meme coin traders on Robinhood, because people are making insane amounts of money. I'm talking turning $600 into $500,000 on a single token. The volume on this chain is insane. And if you don't know anything about the Robinhood chain, it was launched by the official company Robinhood. It's very similar to Solana. You can launch any sort of asset on the Robinhood chain, but people are primarily launching meme coins. There's new ones coming out every second, and I see this only getting bigger and bigger, especially if Robinhood starts putting these types of memes on their app, where regular average Joes can trade them from their phone. So if this sounds interesting to you, you'd like to give this a shot yourself, remember, all copy trading, all trading in general is risky. This is not financial advice. Never copy trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, but also don't let an opportunity like this pass you by. This chain is only 14 days old, and so many coins are running to the hundreds of thousands of market cap. This is a generational opportunity. I've been putting literally no time into this. I've been too busy with other projects, but I threw a bunch of wallets in my TradeWiz PvP bots, put some arbitrary take profit and stop loss, and have been making consistent gains ever since. And after recording this video, I'm gonna go full throttle on Robinhood, but I wanted to share this with you before that. So let's do it. The first thing you need to do to copy trade on the Robinhood network is to create an account on the TradeWiz PvP trading bots. This is the best copy trading bot that I have ever used. The speed is insane. You are getting filled within 100 milliseconds. So when the trader you are copying buys, you buy within 100 milliseconds. When they sell, you can sell within 100 milliseconds. It's almost instantaneous. And the best part is that the fees are absolutely nothing. I'm spending 2 cents per buy and sell. 2 cents. That means my fees are having zero impact on my return on investment. Something never before seen in copy trading. When copy trading on Solana, you could lose up to 10% on your return on investment because of fees on the Solana network, especially when using a small buy size. But now it doesn't matter at all. You keep what you make. All you have to pay is the 1% buy and sell fee to the copy trading bot for allowing you to do this on autopilot. So go to the official link in the description of this video to make sure you end up in the right place. Click it, that will take you to this page right here to sign up to TradeWiz PvP. Now you need to have Telegram. You need to have it on your phone and ideally on your computer. So go ahead and download Telegram and set up an account if you haven't already. Once you've done that, you can click this login with Telegram button. That's going to take you to this page. It's going to ask you to open Telegram, whether you're on your computer or your phone. Just click open Telegram. That's going to bring you here to the TradeWiz PvP Telegram bot. Just click start. Once you've done that, if you come back to the page here, it's going to tell you that you're waiting approval. So this bot is invitation only at the moment. You simply need to message the admin on Telegram. Click message the admin, shoot the admin a message. Just say, hey, I just signed up for TradeWiz PvP and I am waiting to be approved. And they will approve you as fast as they can. And once they do, this page will automatically update and it will take you to the trading bot itself. Now, I have been using TradeWiz for over 3 years. This is a brand new bot that they created. It's faster, it's more powerful, the interface is better. It's all web-based, or you can use the platform from your phone on the internet, on whatever browser you use, but you also see all of your trades right here in Telegram. So once you're in, you will get notifications anytime you buy and sell something. It will tell you your profit and loss. It will tell you when you manually sell, if you hit stop loss, if you hit take profit. So you're always in the loop. You always know what's going on. Once the admin has approved you, you're going to be in your dashboard here. Here you can see my tasks that I currently have running, how much each task is making or losing, and you can easily create new tasks just by clicking this button. You can save setups to create new tasks easier. But before you do start making tasks and figuring out who to copy, the next step is to add money to your wallet. So once you're in your account, come up here and create a wallet, and that's going to give you a Robinhood Ethereum wallet address. But very, very important, you cannot just send Ethereum on the Ethereum network to this account. If you buy Ethereum on Coinbase or on Binance, you cannot send it on the Ethereum network to this address or it will be lost. It has to be on the Robinhood network. And many major exchanges don't even support Robinhood transfers yet because it's so new. So what you need to do for now is really quite simple. Buy Ethereum on Coinbase, on Robinhood, or maybe you have some, create a MetaMask wallet or a Rabby wallet, any sort of storage wallet that supports Ethereum and the Robinhood networks. Send yourself some Ethereum on the Ethereum network to your MetaMask or Rabby wallets. Once you do that, you're going to want to make sure you have the Robinhood chain added. Come to your Ethereum on the Ethereum network, click it, select swap, come here, select swap for Ethereum on the Robinhood network. So you're bridging from Ethereum on the Ethereum network to Ethereum on the Robinhood network. Select how much you want to swap. Obviously, I only have 5 cents in here right now, so it's not going to work. But once it does, just select swap, and it will send all your money from the Ethereum network to your Ethereum on the Robinhood network. And once you have money in your MetaMask accounts on the Robinhood network, you can then copy your TradeWiz PVP wallet address, simply come to your Ethereum on the Robinhood network and send it. And it will arrive into your TradeWiz PVP account within minutes. So I'm not going to show you that process because I've already done it, but that's the first step, is to fund your trading bot wallet. And now the next step is to find good traders to copy trade. And this is honestly really easy right now. This chain is blowing up. There are so many incredible traders. So what you could do is you can come to the Copy Trader app at copytrader.com with 2 R's. You can use our tools if you want. That will give you access to our Robinhood wallet index with all the best Robinhood traders right now. And it also gives you access to all of our tools, including finding the earliest buyers of any token, latest buyers, top traders by volume, the best snipers, and being able to generate a CSV of all of these traders' trade data that you can run through our algorithm of over 120,000 possible combinations of entry, exit, take profit, and stop loss to get the absolute best strategies to use with any trader, so you know what take profit and stop loss to use. And I recommend that to anyone who wants to maximize their profits, who's serious about this, who's a professional, and whose goal is to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day. But honestly, the chain is popping off right now. And if you just want to get started, you can come to any trending token, come to the top traders tab, and just open up all the top traders one by one and check out their GMGN page. You can come through real quick, just open up a bunch, just one at a time. And honestly, you're gonna find insane traders like this. Like this trader has made $2,800 this week, $9,000 this month with a $37 to $100 buy size. By the way, the $607 that I made was with a $9 buy size. Like I said, I've been extremely busy. I have prior obligations. I tried this seriously for a few days, made crazy money, had to take some time off, but I just let my most secure plays run. With a $9 buy size, I was able to generate $670 with a week without even trying, without even using the strategy analyzers. But as soon as I get this video out, I will have the time to actually go through and do this right. So you can find wallets so fast. I mean, these are fantastic traders. And again, you can analyze them properly and come up with a strategy, or you can just wing it. That carries a lot more risk, but once you have a trader you like, you can come back to your TradeWiz copy trading bot that you signed up for. You can create a task. You can add the wallet or as many smart wallets to the same task as you want. Set up the task with all of your take profits, your stop loss, all of your settings, which I'll go through in my next video. I'll show you the best settings, the settings that I'm using, the settings that allowed me to generate the $670 I just made in the last week, which mostly was generated within 3 days. And then you'll be able to do the exact same thing. But this is just a real quick intro on how to get started, what bot to use, where to find traders, how to bridge over your Ethereum to the Robinhood network to send to your trading bot and get started. And I think I've covered enough. So if you want to hear more and go into more detail, then definitely let me know in the comments below. I spoke about Polymarket being the greatest copy trading opportunity of our generation. And then this comes out and it's even better. So very exciting time to be in copy trading. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And if you want me to go deeper into how to make money copy trading on Robinhood, let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video. And if I have a good response, then I will continue to make these videos. Thank you. See you guys later.